Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really simple, lovely paper stars. I've got two kinds here, one with 5 points and one with 6 points. They're really easy and they look so lovely hanging up in your house. So let's get going. For this project you need some paper, some glue, scissors and some string to hang. So to start with, I'm going to make this larger 6-sided one. So I have 6 pages. So to start with, we're going to take our corner and fold it up to the edge there. And then cut this piece off. I'm going to save this piece because this is what we use to make the smaller star, so we don't waste any. We need to cut all 6 like this. So now they're all folded, what we need to do next is open up your page and fold each side down to the center, making it into a diamond shape. Like this. And then fold the point upwards Next, we're going to take each corner of this folded line and fold that up to the center here. It's time to glue this bit down, so I'm going to glue just here on this square bit, some glue on there and stick those corners down. And then you can pop that open, taking that one and flatten it out. You need to make all 6 of these. So now I have all 6 of these folded. You will see there's a triangle space here. This is where they're all going to join. So I'm going to add some glue to there, using slightly stronger glue for this one. And then you just layer them on top. And do that for each. Try not to use too much glue. Squidges out sometimes. And layer them. So keep going until you've layered all 6 on top of each other. So I have them all stacked on top of each other. I'm just going to let them dry for a minute so they're nice and secure. While those are drying, I'm going to do exactly the same method but with the leftover page bit of paper that we had. But this time I'm only going to do 5 points to make the smaller 5-pointed star. So I'm going to carry on and do that at the same time. Okay, so that one's mostly dry. So we're going to stick the last one together. In the same way that we did the others, triangle of glue. And we're going to fold that around and stick those 2 together. Pop one open. And that is our 6-pointed star. I might just pop a paper clip in that, on that one, to make sure it stays put while it's drying. But there you have it, that's how you make those. I shall just do my 5-pointed one. So here they are. I finished the 5-pointed star, and out of curiosity I really wanted to see if I could get another one out of the leftover bits of paper, and you can. It was quite fiddly, but look how sweet that is. Still got its paper clips, it's drying. So yes, all you need to do now is take your string or your yarn and thread it through the top of one of the points to hang them. And they look lovely in the window. I just wanted to say as well, they are sort of double-sided. The back of them is also really pretty, so hanging them in the window is fine. I'm going to hang these in my window. So let me know if you have a go. Let me know what types of papers you're going to use, and do subscribe for more easy, simple crafts. Have a fabulous Christmas, guys.